In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a line graph in Google Sheets. Whether you're creating a visual representation for a presentation or just to gain better insights into your data, a line graph can be incredibly useful for spotting trends over time. Let's walk through the process step by step, ensuring that you not only know how to create a line graph, but also how to customize it to meet your specific needs. First, before we dive into creating the graph itself, it's important to ensure that your data is properly organized in your spreadsheet. Typically, you'll have your categories, such as dates or names, in one column and the data you want to plot in the next. This allows Google Sheets to seamlessly interpret and visualize your information. Once your data is in place, go ahead and highlight the range of cells you want to include in your chart. This can include column headings to automatically label your axes, which will save you time later on and ensure clarity. With your data selected, look towards the top of your Google Sheets interface, where you'll find the Insert option in the menu bar. Go ahead and click on that. After clicking, a drop-down menu will appear. Take a moment to scan through it until you find the Chart option. Clicking on Chart sets things in motion, initiating the creation of your graph. Next, you'll see a Chart Editor panel appear on the right side of your screen. Don't be overwhelmed. This panel is your friend and will help guide you through the process of selecting the right chart for your data. By default, Google Sheets might pre-select a chart type for you, but what we're interested in here is the line graph. Locate the Chart Type drop-down menu within the Chart Editor panel. Click on it and scroll through the available options until you find the line chart. Selecting the line chart instantly transforms your selected data into a line graph. There it is, visualized on your sheet. This graph is now ready for some enlightening analysis, where you can see your data trends pop out in a way that's often more meaningful than just rows and columns of numbers. Now let's talk about customization. The Chart Editor panel allows you to refine your graph to better fit your needs and preferences. Maybe you want to adjust the colors of the lines, change the background of the chart, add some labels, or even modify the legend. Take some time to explore these options and tweak the settings until your chart perfectly aligns with the information you want to convey. These edits can make your graph not only more informative, but also more visually appealing, ensuring that anyone who views it can easily understand the insights it displays. And there you have it, a beautifully crafted line graph tailored exactly to your preferences, all done in Google Sheets. With these straightforward instructions, you're now equipped to turn any set of data into an insightful visual tool. Happy charting!